Yes, what is friction?
Friction is like a resistive force that opposes the motion.
Yes. And if I'm going to be talking about in these cases, like you have a plane and you're just going to be moving a body on it. So then we can how we can define them. Force between a
An
surface
object and a surface.
and an object to be this motion of the object across a surface. Right now we have is a lot of things, but obviously uh, for every friction, obviously we have some limiting value of friction, or obviously you are going to get the friction that is going to be a limited one. Means, or in this one, for example, if you are moving it, maybe the friction force will be 10 Newton. And this friction force will be increased if you are going to apply the force in it. Like it is a very simple example. You have a pen on it. I'm just going to be scrolling down here. It is moving very smoothly. All right. Means there is less friction. But if I'm just going to press them and then I'm just moving it, obviously what will be happen? The friction force will be increased. All right. Now the next thing is in this friction force, that is basically the main thing is that is about the coefficient of coefficient of friction. Now we have the force that will be equal to mu into R is basically the normal force and mu is the coefficient of friction and F is the force. Right? What are they? F is force of friction, the mu is coefficient of friction. Obviously everybody have different coefficient of friction means for example if I'm just going to be uh, moving it, let's say it is a bottle, it has a smooth surface, so here we have a coefficient of friction is something different. It is a little bit rough surface. So here we have a the coefficient of friction is different. In the same way, there are some standard bodies or materials that have specific values of frictions. So that values are known as the coefficient of friction. For example, if I'm going to say that if you have any body that is really smooth, when it is really smooth, so at that space, basically the coefficient of friction will be zero. Now, here we have force on friction, mu, and R is the normal reaction.